DJI's first attempt at handheld gimbal was in 2015 with the DJI OSMO. After that, DJI released several devices under the OSMO lineup. But there was no second generation OSMO until now. Recently, two new gimbals patent was made public, and it seems DJI may be gearing up to release the successor to their original OSMO after almost 5 years. Hey everyone, I'm Chaser and you're watching Tech Square. DJI has been releasing several patents for its drone, camera modules, OIS system, and many more future products. Among those patents, two new gimbal patents were made public. One of them looks like a two-handed gimbal, while the other seems to be a fully integrated handheld gimbal. And from the patent filings, it looks like DJI is taking a new approach to the original OSMO line of gimbals. Let's talk about the two-handed gimbal. From the drawing, we can see the gimbal having a more professional look with the lens used and the inclusion of a rotatable display on the rear. We can see that it is a two-handed gimbal, although it can be seen on the drawing. Both handles are likely to have buttons to take care of the camera trigger. The camera lens also seems to be interchangeable, and the lenses on the gimbal are likely to be also used on the upcoming Inspire 3 drone. From the drawing, we can't know for sure if DJI has included a display or a tablet holder for getting a live feed from the camera and give you access to more camera settings and storage. According to the drawing and abstract, DJI seems to be creating a gimbal that can be used with its own cinema camera lineup, allowing professionals to purchase the cameras and use them with all of their existing products. Meanwhile, the gimbal patent is of a gimbal that is able to be folded down for easy transportation and folded back up when in operation. From the drawing, we can see a compact box shape with a gimbal and camera is sticking out of with what looks to be a trigger button to take photos and record videos. The shape also looks like a touch display on the back with two buttons on the right side of the display. This looks like DJI could be creating a gimbal to be used with an action camera or possibly a mirrorless camera. Which means this gimbal could perhaps be the upcoming version of the OSMO Pocket with a massive redesign. The DJI OSMO Pocket was released almost 2 years earlier. It is praised by many for its compact size and its unique approach to digital stabilization. Even though the device was far from perfect, but the handheld video camera with an integrated gimbal was loved by many. So a lot of people are waiting on DJI to release the successor to the OSMO Pocket. Hopefully, with DJI making the patent public means they are getting ready to release the next OSMO Pocket. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Let us know in the comments below if you want DJI to release the successor of the OSMO Pocket. If you love our videos, then smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified for our future videos.